Okay, Group C, the floor is yours.
Thank you. Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, I'm Namwaya David, together with my colleague Wiwin. We are going to present a baseline study report, which is a foundation for the development of a management plan for the Greater Amanzule wetland. As it has been said, our director is not feeling well, but I'm very sure the members will cover up in this presentation. Now, this is an overview of our presentation. I'm going to deal with the first three parts. Then my colleague will cover the remaining three. Now, when you talk about the location of the wetland, this is the region of interest when we are coming up with this management plan. It's the western part of Ghana, and it's called the Great Amanzule wetland because in it's made up of several other wetlands. The Greater Amanzule region receives equatorial climate, having two peaks of rainfall with a dry season experienced during November to December. Now, of interest, this particular region is sandwiched between two main rivers. The Tano River, which is on the Ivory Coast Ghana boundary, extending to another river called Anacobra River, which has a catchment within the West Evergreen Forest Zone. In between these two main rivers, we also have other 11 small streams that drain within this region. When we talk about the topography, soil, and the hydrology of the Greater Amanzule region, within the wetland there are several features. For example, we do have the lagoons, estuaries, fresh lakes within the wetland. This makes the wetland an important source of fresh water, and also by the fact that it's at the coastal region, it's an important ecosystem when it comes to flood control. Now, when you look at this rainfall graph from 2010 to 2015, you realize that on average the rainfall within the region is relatively high, and this is the source of the freshness or the fresh water within the system. But also because of this high rainfall amount, the soils within the region are highly made up of protosols, which are highly leached soils, and the acidic cumulosols. This is of interest because these soils and the environmental conditions support a variety of plants within the region, and of interest are the mangrove forests that are supported by the ecosystem. This vegetation also is a home to a variety of animals, and of interest, and an example, we do have different mammals, up to about 27 species. When you talk about birds, about 70 species of both migratory and resident birds inhabit the area. And when you talk about the aquatic ecosystem, of interest is that this region, the region is an important nursery for the marine fish, and also it's a home or a habitat for these tilapine species that are categorized within the red list on the IUCN. Now, all these problems that are encountered in the ecosystem are basically because of human beings. And now, when you look at the demography of the western part of Ghana, you'll discover that Jomoro district is having an increase gradually. Also, the greater percent of the western region of Ghana, the population is also increasing. But of interest is this decline within the Elembele region. I welcome Wiwin to continue with the remaining part.
Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm here to present the economic activities in the wetland. We have mining, oil and gas, agriculture. So in mining sector, we have gold mining in Elembele, limestone and glass sand in Jomoro. We have also unexploited gold deposits in Ankobra and Tano rivers. And we have also occurs illegal mining or galamsey. As we all know that oil and gas resource in the wetland has bring increase in oil and gas industry. So we have offshore activities in the Jubilee field, and onshore we have a corridor infrastructure project where they build a pipeline gas, and they also use some of the forest area in the wetland. For agriculture activities, cassava is the most land crop used. It's more than 90% compared to other crops such as maize, rice, cassava, and plantain. For the coconut production, it has a high number. It's more than 73,000 households. And we have also a traditional farming method which is slashing and burning the forest that local people are still using it. For culture and tradition, as we all know that there is community-based natural resource. They work hand in hand with the local NGO, Hampuano. They involve the Nzemamanle as the highest traditional council, and they work with the communities to preserve the wetland, because some of the local people might doesn't know how to preserve the wetland. So these communities educate local people, giving education how to preserve the wetland. And communities also use ecotourism to as a tool to integrate conservation with livelihoods. With ecotourism, the wetland is conserved, taken into account the livelihoods. The stakeholders involved in the wetland, we have government, NGOs, local communities, and international stakeholders. They have different interests and resources, and we're going to use this pulse analysis to have to analyze what are their power or resources that can be used to support the sustainable management of Amanzule wetland. The policies and legal framework that we will review is from the Local Government Act, Fisheries Act, Tourism, Renewable Energy, Forestry, and Wildlife. And to sum up, we find threats to the Amanzule wetland, which is this establishment of monocrop plantation, infrastructure development from the oil and gas development, disposal of solid waste that been local people still disposal of solid waste. For example, they put solid waste in the wetland. mangrove harvesting, local people still use the mangrove to building material and for charcoal. Beach sand mining also destruct habitat for the marine fish species. So that's all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Group C. Wiwin and David.